and welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanice and you are the good gang, or more specifically the good hair gang, because we all have beautiful hair and it's all good hair. So today I'm going to show you guys how I went from this to this, all of this. So if you guys didn't know, my hair is 4C. I recently big chopped, well not recently, it's been like a year. And I'm just kind of experimenting, so I'm bringing it, I'm sharing it with you guys so that you guys can try it out too. I want us to enjoy our natural hair, enjoy the journey of transitioning, enjoy the journey while it's growing from short to long, whatever, wherever you're at in your journey. I just want you to enjoy it. So comment below, let me know how your journey is going. If you're natural, stuff like that, comment below, let me know. And yeah, I'll definitely see you guys right now because we're about to get the video started. So let's go. What is she saying? Let's get straight on into the video. So I'm starting off with my hair in 2 braids, and it is freshly washed. I washed it just for you guys so it would not be like flaky on camera. So I'm just gonna massage my scalp. I find that this really makes my hair feel better, and you know, it promotes growth, it stimulates growth. So I'm gonna moisturize with one of my favorite moisturizers. And this hairstyle definitely is easier on stretched hair and when my hair is not wet. But depending on your hair, you figure out what works for you. So now I'm just spraying my hair with some water and rose water that I mixed up in my spray bottle to help detangle it. Plus, I love rose water because it just smells good. But you guys can Google like the benefits of it. It's really good for your hair and your skin. So now I'm going to section my hair into 2 sections, one small section and one larger section at the back. I'm just going to detangle the back some more and push it upwards into the shape that I wanted. Then we're going to add this gel, the pink one. I've used this one before. I think this is argan oil, but it flaked, so that's a no-go today. So yeah, we're just pushing the hair up to kind of mold it into the shape so that it can go into one easier. So I added gel all around the perimeter of the hair, and I'm just brushing it in with my brush from Conair. And I'm using this ouchless band. So I put my hair in one, make sure it's not too tight. I usually do my hair like really tight for this, but you don't want that. So I'm taking some edge control. This is my favorite edge control. I find it works best for me out of all the ones that I've tried. This one is by Design Essentials. I'm just gonna add that all around the edges of my hair, and then I'm gonna push it back further into my hair. Use it kind of as a gel to keep my hair to stay down for those parts of my edges that are short. So yeah, tying my hair back and just gonna put it into like a little full over bun, and that's it. So getting that all up in my kitchen because we don't want smooth edges at the front and rocks in the back. We don't want that. So this hair is the Marley braid. So I use an entire pack, half on one bun and half on the other bun. And they're evenly split, of course.
So just wrap them around the bun twice and then just kind of play with them to get the shape that I want to form my faux bun. So I wrap it, I twist it, and then try to tuck it in my hair with some bobby pins. Oops. There we go. Now the other part, I'm just gonna twist and just gonna manipulate it how I want so that it'll form the bun and hide my own buns. So yeah, just securing the ends to make sure that everything is neatly in place. And then securing the bun. Why do I sound like I'm going through puberty? And then securing the bun to make sure, you know, if somebody slaps me, like it doesn't come off, girl, because we don't want that. So I just go back in with the comb and kind of brush up the side so it hides the part. And to do that, I also added a bobby pin right there because that part of my hair is pretty short, so it'll come out during the day. So I'm just gonna take my edge tool, just a brush and comb, get my edges snatched, my sideburns in order. Then I'm going in with my trusty scarf to keep my edges in place and leave that for a little while. Yes, I did what I had to do. Did you subscribe yet? And that is how I went from 2 braids to this sleek updo on my short 4C natural hair.
So we don't want the choir boys to be singing. Maybe a little hum, but ain't no singing around. Oh! Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to share this video with a friend if you enjoyed it. Definitely give it a thumbs up. Check out my last video right here and a playlist of all my natural hair videos right here. And I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.